Let's just take a video of Becca eating french fries.
Okay.
If I ate french fries, it'd be a little exciting.
What?
Jenna, there's a little kid watching us.
I don't care.
Aw, she's so cute, but she needs to chew her mouth shut.
Shut up. She's listening to you.
She's not looking right now. Told ya. You got a problem? That's right, that one was staring. My lips are salty now.
Don't mess with Stacy. She'll open up a can.
What?
You'll open up a can.
A whoop.
A
I
whoop
know, but
A whoop.
that's all.
Ah. Stacy, don't you have something to confess?
I think I didn't do that.
What are you talking about?
Open season. I want to see that movie with the little animation.
I already saw it.
That's just great. I'm talking funny tonight.
Great.
That's great.
Jenna, it's not funny. Quit laughing.
Whore.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yes, I just called you a whore.
You know you want to laugh it up.
Stacy, you're not doing anything.
Not my eye, like at least my nose. I think it's not gonna hurt. Oh, that's salt on them.
They do have salt on them, and I like them like that.
Isn't a bug zapper?
What?
They expect it to be
It's an
bug.
eco lab. Jeez, Stacy, get the picture. Can't you read?
I don't care.
Kids today.
See how boring she is? She's like, kids today.
I might as well just be a 60-year-old woman.
Yeah, they didn't even have to pay so much for your food.
I get a senior citizens discount.
I got this biscuit for 62 cents. The gravy was only 35.
Whoop, whoop. I'm all about savings.
Gravy.
I like gravy.
Are you
What
emo
the
now?
heck do you do with your gravy?
I love it and cherish it forever.
Then why don't
Enjoy
you
it
marry
under my bed.
it?
Yeah, there's just on that.
There's
Whoa,
just no problem that
Stacy.
it's not a human being.
I'm a human man.
So let's get married.
Yeah.
Run.
Crap, that's French. Yeah.
What does that mean?
Good.
Unzip for the
Je
camera.
suis parfait. Et bien. Donnez-moi ton jambon. Maintenant, une vache. Très magnifique.
Unzip for the camera.
It's already in zip.
Yep, she became a hoe earlier. Ooh.
Oh, I can breathe now. Because, you know, down here it all needs to breathe.
Yeah.
You need one of those see-through bras. Then you'd be able to breathe.
Get a mesh one.
Just don't wear one. Feel the freedom. No restraints, all natural.
Oh, natural.
If you're not gonna wear a bra, you might as well not shave. You go live in Europe.
Stacy, get a job and come with us.
I already have a job, ho.
You know.
No. You're,
Manager at Domino's. I tell them hoes what to do. You clean the floor. You make the dang pizza.
You dance for me.
No, I don't think there's anyone there I'd want to dance in front of me.
How about behind you?
I'll look on me behind me. Smack that. Smack that. Till it hurts your butt. La, 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 la. Listen, gangsters just came in. Hey, gangsters.
Shut up, they're gonna shoot you.
No, they probably want to be my pimp.
dang.
Then they're
on the
gonna.
market.
No, I gotta make him a, couple $1,000s and they'll shoot me. Chop up my, what were we called? Vaginal.
I almost snorted.
You look like you're...
Vaginal.
Ew.
Ish.
Ew.
Chicken all on the floor. Chicken is ready. Oh gosh, I'm sitting on top of something hard and horizontal. Okay.
It's called a purse and a notebook. You were sitting on the notebook.
It hurt. It was like poking.
You were probably sitting on the spiral.
We're gonna have to cut that part out.
No, it's
What? Did you say Maggie?
I should have stuck a fry in my drink and then stuck it in your ear. It'd be
Ew. Gross.
like this pointy one. We'll save that for later.
Oh my gosh, give it to me, give it to me. Please, can I have a pointy one?
I don't know. That's the point. You're half a vampire. What's your mom play?
Oh my god. That's strong.
Okay, now you got some salt and grease in my ear. I need a brewski. What's that? Hot chick.
The one that we just watched. Oops.
Stacy, I adore
He just... Ew! Hey! What the heck? That's my leg, punk. What the heck is wrong with you?
I'm already violated.
There's a lot wrong with her.
I know.
It ain't a virgin like no more.
Stacy, I want it back.
I can't give it back.
Did Stacy stroke your virginity?
I want it.
With his finger.